What are the functions that constitute part of a manufacturing business or operation? Well, manufacturing in itself is the process of bringing into existence or creating a particular value proposition in the form of a product. Okay. Now, the first step in this process is to come up with the process and technology required for that product to exist. So you're designing the processes necessary to bring that into existence. Oftentimes that means engineering, sometimes physics come into play, dynamics, things of that nature that go into planning the capabilities of what is being created and what is required to actually bring that into existence. Then you assemble the actual system for bringing it into existence. Well, these are the operations components. It is the machining, the creating the robots for assembly, the human personnel for welding or bolting or whatever goes into developing that product. So the physical processes that bring the product into existence. The quality control function is the constant management of the process to make sure the product meets the standards identified as part of the process of manufacturing, because a wide variance in the performance, quality, makeup of the product may run counter to the objectives of the business. So with that being said, quality control is an important part of the manufacturing process. Maintenance as part of that quality control process. That means keeping up the systems that you've designed, making certain that they are functioning at an optimal level in order to meet the level of production that is required and to maintain quality control as part of the process. Logistics. Logistics is the actual shipment. It starts with the process of boxing, loading, shipping, receiving whatever documents entailed, letters of credit, bills of lading, things of that nature that are involved with the physical shipment of the goods and process. Information technology. This process requires a great deal of communication of information with every party in the value delivery chain. With that being said, some systems may just use email, may use physical written correspondence. Others, there will be manufacturing systems that keep track of the production process at each stage, the quantity of raw materials available, the quantity of goods in progress, the quantity of completed goods, the quantity of goods that have been shipped out, the quantity of goods that are received and subject to some level of continued service, warranty, or support. That is the obligation of the business. So keeping track of all of this is part of the information technology or information systems process. And then your people, making certain that you are adequately staffed with skilled, capable individuals that can meet all of the requirements of the production process, the delivery process, the maintenance process, etc. Everything that goes into this entire portion of the value delivery process. Human resource projects the individuals who will be needed, brings on board the individuals who will be needed, trains them appropriately, makes certain that they are adequately incentivized with the benefits provided by the company, and in certain situations offboards individuals that will no longer be part of the system. So in a manufacturing business or as part of the manufacturing process for a startup venture, all of these have to be major considerations in the planning process.